Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are looking at a product called Affiliate Builder. If you have ever wanted to make money as an affiliate marketer, then this is a great opportunity. Stay tuned to learn more and get access to our special Affiliate Builder bonus. Imagine not having to worry about writing content, finding images, inserting your affiliate links, or formatting your site, and being able to have your own affiliate site created and ready to start earning commissions in just a matter of minutes. And that is exactly what you get with Affiliate Builder. Introducing the world's easiest way to build affiliate sites. Let's take a look at this software in action.
Hey, Kurt Chrysler here, and I want to introduce you to my new Affiliate Builder software. Now, what the software allows you to do is create complete monetized affiliate sites in a matter of minutes. So instead of giving you a long, drawn-out, hypey sales pitch, I'm just going to show you exactly how you can create your first affiliate site in 2 minutes or less using the software. So if we jump over to the site I'm on here, you can see this is just a demo site I set up. I'm going to hit refresh. And you can see there's absolutely nothing on this site. It's a brand new site. So to create the site, all I need to do is go in and search for some content. So I'm just going to type in drones as if I was building a site on drones. And the software is going to bring back a whole bunch of articles we can use on our site. So all I need to do is start checking off, different articles I would like to add to my site. These are all done for you. You don't have to create any of the content. In addition, we can set a featured image. With the software, you have access to over 1 million images to search from, so you're sure to find some for your site. So I just type drones, and I can go ahead and I can set the featured image for that post. Again, I can repeat this process for each of these. I just type drones, I choose an image, and I'm all set. So again, once you've checked off the articles you want, added an image from our image database, all you have to do is go down here to hit import. So I can do these as a post. Now again, if I wouldn't have been kind of talking you through this, I could have done this in maybe 30 to 40 seconds. So that's all you need to do. I hit import. We will let the software go ahead and do its magic. And you can see it's created those posts. So if I come back to my site here, I am going to refresh it again. And you can see my affiliate site has been created. So again, all the content is done for me. The images are popped in there. If I click on any of these, you will see they're already monetized as well. So there's the featured image. I have the title. I chose to use Amazon, so I have some Amazon products showing here. If I scroll down, the software also popped in a video for me. So we have a YouTube video on there, and then I have more monetization right there. So if you don't believe that that's about the easiest way you could possibly create an affiliate site, again, if I hadn't been talking you through it, I could have had this entire site built easily in under a minute.
For more information, please check out the link below in the description. You can also get access to our exclusive Affiliate Builder bonus and launch discount offer. Please like and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you next time.